How to fix Grindr's grid view not refreshing new profiles. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can fix if the grid view is not refreshing new profiles. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. If your Grindr app is not refreshing new profiles on the grid view, then there are a couple of things that we can check. The first is you want to make sure it's not the issue with your internet. So if you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch your cellular data or vice versa and see if that helps you solve the problem. Now, if you're using iPhone, just try to offload the app from the settings. However, if you're using an Android, long press the Grindr app icon and you'll see the eye icon. Tap on it, which will take you to your app info page, and this setting is available on any Android device. Once you're on the app info page, what you want to do is scroll down to storage, and here you can find the option called clear cache. Make sure to clear the cache files over there. If you have the force stop option available, also try to force stop the application. Now go to your Play Store or your App Store, check if the Grindr app has an update, and if it does, then do make sure to update it to the latest version and also restart your device, and hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.